In this tutorial, we learn how to resolve "Try searching to get started" issue on YouTube. If you are experiencing a homepage with this message, don't worry, it's a common issue that can be fixed easily. First, open the YouTube app, tap the search icon at the top right, and look for any channel you're interested in. Visit the channel, watch at least 5 or 6 of their videos, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Next, repeat the process by searching for another channel, watching their videos and subscribing. The more you engage with the content by watching and searching for the videos, the better YouTube will be suggesting videos that match your interests. So, keep exploring and watching videos you enjoy. After following these steps for a day or two, the issue should resolve itself and YouTube will start recommending videos based on what you've watched. Your homepage will gradually fill with personalized content. Essentially, YouTube is prompting you to search for videos that catch your interest. That's the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.